CNC machine use Sun01 oil water separator demo video. Open package. Take out packing list, accessories, stuffing. Take out machine. Remove plastic film. Open machine cover. Take out accessories. Accessory bag, dual-use oil suction inlet, plug adapter, magnetic base. Take out a filter bottle and wrench. Dismount M4 screw. Expand the folding bracket. Fix it with screws. Install mixture inlet pipe and tighten it with stainless cable tie. Install outlet pipe and overflow pipe. Tighten it with stainless cable tie. When processing aluminum, plastic, solid floating materials will occur on the surface of cutting fluid. Filter set is required. Open the filter bottle and take out accessories from filter element. Install filter bottle to cap. Install the screws and secure the filter cap to the machine. Put on stainless cable tie. Install connecting pipe to mixture inlet. Adjusting cable tie to proper position and tighten it. Close the cover. Install filter cover and lock it with wrench. Install mixture inlet pipe to filter bottle connector and tighten it with stainless cable tie. Dual-use suction inlet selection and installation. Deep fluid use, suitable for cutting fluid more than 10 cm or more. Insert dual-use suction inlet to downcomer. Please using the matching gloves. Add a little cutting fluid to suction inlet to eliminate air. Put it into tank. The water level should have a floating amount, avoiding the failure to absorb liquid. Dual-use suction inlet selection and installation. Shallow fluid use, suitable for cutting fluid more than 6 cm. Unplug downcomer. Install fitting plastic elbow. Insert the other side of plastic elbow into inlet pipe. Replace 14 mm pipe clamp and fix it with hexagonal wrench. Fix the mixture inlet pipe in the pipe clamp more than 20 cm free floating distance. Add a little cutting fluid to suction inlet to eliminate air. Turn on the power switch and speed control knob. The machine starts working. After mixture separated from front tank, waste oil flows into middle tank. After settlement in middle tank, oil and water are being separated twice, and oil slick flows into the oil tank. The capacity of oil tank is about 4 liters. The machine will automatically alarm you to join once oil tank is full. Mixture inlet adjustment as per layer thickness. Fixed ring of oil suction inlet can be adjusted to control liquid surface in vending depth. Screw adjusting ring to V-shaped groove position of mixture inlet. Increase the slope of black floater. Before use, after use. 1 hour running every day. Dispose once a week. 1 kWh each month. Handle reminder. Suggested automatic working time 0.5 to 1 hour earlier than CNC machine turn on each day. Please refer manual for timing setting. Quality products move the world.